Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, लाहौर, पाकिस्तान से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. आइए स्टूडेंट, आज हम लेसन नंबर 20 मिसलेनियस रूल्स आपके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं. इजहार मुतलिक in the following four words. A letter from the Hurufi Yarmalun appears after the Nun Sakina. In the same word, idgham will not take place. Instead, izhar mutlik will occur. Nasalization, gunna will not take place. For example, dunya, dunya. After the Nun Sakina, ya is coming. It's belong to a Hurufi Yarmalun, but we don't make a nasalization here, so we will take a zahar here. Dunya, bunyanun, qinwanun, qinwanun. Right? We don't make gunna here. Sakta, to stop the sound momentarily and then to continue reading ahead without breaking the breath is called sakta. That is, the sound should stop whistle one hold the same breath. Sakta is wajib, necessary in the following four example. Waqila man raqin, waqila man raqin. Right? Chapter number 29, Surah Al-Qiyamah, verse number 27. Kalla bal rana. Chapter number 30, Surah Al-Mutafaffin, verse number 14. Min marqadina hadha. Chapter number 23, Surah Yasin, and verse number 52. Iwajan, Qayyima. Chapter number 15, Surah Al-Kahf, verse number 1. Spot and Seen. In the Holy Qur'an there are four words which contain the letter Swad, but a small letter Sin is also written with it. The details of how to pronounce these words are as follows. In example number 1 and 2 only read the Sin. In example number 3 it is permissible to read both Swad and Sin, and in example number 4 only read the Swad. Right? See the first box of this page. According to the first example, 1 and 2 only read the Seen. Right? Seen. Yabsutu. Chapter number 2, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 245. Right? Bastatan. Chapter number 8, Surah Al-Araf, verse number 69. Bastatan. According to example number 1 and 2 only read the Seen. Right? Seen. We don't read pronounce Sad. Right? Seen. Yabsutu bastatan. Right? See the example number 3. It is the permissible to read both Sad and Seen. Okay? You can read Sad and Seen. Am humul musaytiruna, and am humul musaytiruna, مسيطرون. Okay, look at example number 4. Only read the spot. بمسيطر. بمسيطر. Chapter number 30, Surah Al-Ghashiyah, verse number 22. Right? And the previous one is chapter number 27, Surah Al-Tur, verse number 37. See the next one. Tasheel. The meaning of tasheel is to make soft. That is, pronounce the second hamza with soft tone. In the Holy Quran, there is only one word where tasheel is wajib. Imala, the inclination, the inclination of the sound of the zabar towards the zair and the sound of the alif towards the ya is known as imala. The ra of imala is pronounced re, instead of re. Right? Spell out the example of imala as follows. Jim, mim, jim, zabar, maj. Ra of imala, re, majre, majin, re. Ha alif zabar ha, majre ha, majre ha. Right? Bi'sal ismul fusuqu. In this word, do not pronounce the alif before lam, not the alif after it. Instead, read the lam with a z. Okay? Tasheel. A'jamiyun wa arabiyun. A'jamiyun wa arabiyun. Chapter number 24, Surah Hameem Al-Sajda, verse number 44. Imala. Majereha. Chapter number 12, Surah Hud, verse number 41. Bi'sal ismul fusuq. Chapter number 26, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse number 11. I hope so you will like it and share it and subscribe it. And please, may Allah keep you always happy and successful in Deen Dunya and Akhirah. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.